Good afternoon, it's Lauren here from Enhanced Car Audio and Security. We've had a customer come in wanting a reverse camera and some entertainment TVs in the back of their car. This is a Skoda Kodiaq, so I'm just going to put the car in reverse. And as you can see, it's a nice clear screen of what is happening with the camera from behind. I am going to take you to the back of the car and show you the entertainment centres. So as you can see, we've got some beautiful screens, and they more or less have different, you can change the colours of the lights that are underneath. They are very much based on Android. So if I go back, let's have a quick look. They've been testing them today. So as you can see, you can have your apps, and it is like an Android. So you've got your Facebook, your Chrome, your gallery, your music, your Disney, and the kids can sit here and enjoy anything while on the move. If this is something you'd be interested in, or any upgrades for your car, please don't hesitate to call us on 01622 737393.